Navigating the world of credit cards in late 2025 feels like a treasure hunt, with rewards tailored to every lifestyle, from jet-setting adventurers to grocery-hauling parents. The right card can transform your spending into meaningful perks, whether that's cash back for daily expenses or points for a dream vacation. With issuers like Chase, American Express, and Capital One constantly refining their offers, the choices are vast and highly personalized. After researching insights from sources like Bankrate, Yahoo Finance, NerdWallet, and The Points Guy, it's clear that the best card depends on your spending habits and financial goals. For some, it's about maximizing travel rewards with premium perks like airport lounge access, while others prioritize no-fee cashback cards for simplicity. Before diving into specific cards, it's worth noting that the average American household carries around $6,000 in credit card debt, according to recent Federal Reserve data. This reality underscores the importance of choosing cards with low or introductory 0% APRs if you're managing balances, alongside rewards that align with your life. Paying on time is crucial to maintain a credit score above 700, which unlocks the most competitive offers. Let's start with cashback cards, which are the unsung heroes for everyday spenders who want rewards without the complexity of tracking points or miles. One card that stands out in 2025 is the Chase Freedom Unlimited. This card offers an unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase, which might seem modest at first glance but becomes powerful when paired with its bonus categories. You earn 5% on travel booked through the Chase Travel Portal, 3% on dining, including takeout and delivery, and 3% at drugstores. There's no annual fee, so every reward goes straight to your pocket. The welcome bonus is also appealing. Spend $500 in the first 3 months to earn $200 in cash back. Imagine a family of 4 spending $800 monthly on groceries and dining. This card could easily generate $200 to $300 in rewards annually. These rewards are part of the Chase Ultimate Rewards program, and if you later pair this card with a premium Chase card like the Sapphire Preferred, those points can be worth up to 1.5 cents each for travel redemptions, making it a versatile choice. However, the regular APR ranges from 18.99% to 28.49% variable after a 15-month 0% introductory period on purchases, so it's best for those who pay off their balance monthly. If you're carrying debt, consider complementing it with a card like the Wells Fargo Reflect, which offers a 21-month 0% introductory APR on both purchases and balance transfers, though it lacks rewards. For those who crave simplicity in their cashback strategy, the Citi Double Cash card remains a top contender in 2025. This card earns 2% cash back on every purchase, 1% when you buy and 1% when you pay it off. There's no annual fee, and you can earn a $200 bonus by spending $1,500 within the first 6 months. This structure rewards responsible payment habits, making it ideal for those tackling debt while still earning rewards. For example, if you're paying off a $5,000 balance from another card with a 20% interest rate, transferring it here could save hundreds in interest during the 18-month 0% introductory period on balance transfers, while earning $100 back on your regular spending. Yahoo Finance named it the best balance transfer card this year, and its straightforward 2% rate outshines competitors like the Wells Fargo Active Cash, which also offers 2% but adds perks like cell phone protection. The downside is the 3% balance transfer fee, which can add up on large transfers. Additionally, without bonus categories, it may not excite those who spend heavily on dining or travel, where a card like the Capital One Savor Cash Rewards shines. The Savor offers 3% cash back on dining, entertainment, and groceries, excluding superstores like Walmart, plus 8% on Capital One entertainment purchases, like concert tickets. With no annual fee and a $300 bonus after spending $3,000 in 3 months, it's a favorite for younger urbanites who value experiences over assets. Groceries are a major expense for many households, especially with inflation still impacting budgets in 2025. Cards that reward supermarket spending are more valuable than ever. The Blue Cash Preferred card from American Express leads this category, offering 6% cash back on U.S. supermarket purchases up to $6,000 per year, then 1% thereafter. You also earn 6% on select streaming services and 3% on transit and gas. The $95 annual fee is waived for the first year, and a $250 welcome bonus comes after spending $3,000 in 6 months. For a household spending $500 monthly on groceries, that's potentially $360 in rewards annually, more than covering the fee. The card also includes a $7 monthly credit for Disney Plus or similar services, adding up to $84 yearly, which CNN highlights as a reason it's the top grocery card. If the annual fee feels steep, the Blue Cash Everyday card offers a no-fee alternative, earning 3% on groceries, online retail, and gas, up to $6,000 per category annually, with a $200 bonus after $2,000 spent in 6 months. It's perfect for young professionals building financial habits. For those willing to pay more for premium rewards, the American Express Gold Card earns 4x points at U.S. supermarkets on up to $25,000 yearly and 4x at restaurants. Its $325 annual fee is offset by $120 in Uber Cash and $120 in dining credits, making it a go-to for foodies who see dining as an investment. Membership rewards points transfer to airline partners, potentially worth 2 cents each, ideal for those blending grocery and travel goals. Travel rewards cards bring a touch of glamour, turning spending into flights, hotel stays, or exclusive perks. With airfares stabilizing but hotel rates rising, the Chase Sapphire Preferred remains a standout for value in 2025. For a $95 annual fee, you earn 5x points on travel booked through Chase, 3x on dining, online groceries, and streaming, and 2x on other travel. The welcome bonus is 75,000 points after spending $4,000 in 3 months, valued at $937 for travel through Chase's portal, according to the Points Guy. A 25% redemption boost for portal bookings and a $50 annual hotel credit add significant value, potentially exceeding $300 yearly for a couple spending $2,000 on travel. Compared to its premium sibling, the Chase Sapphire Reserve, which costs $550 annually, the Preferred is more accessible. The Reserve offers 10x points on hotels and car rentals through Chase, 5x on flights, and a $300 travel credit that offsets much of the fee, plus Priority Pass lounge access and global entry reimbursement. It's ideal for frequent flyers, but the Preferred balances cost and rewards better for most. Yahoo Finance named it the best overall rewards card for its flexibility and earning potential. For a simpler travel rewards approach, the Capital One Venture Rewards credit card offers 2x miles on every purchase and 5x on hotels and rental cars booked through their portal. The $95 annual fee comes with a 75,000-mile welcome bonus, worth $750 in travel, after spending $4,000 in 3 months. Miles can erase travel purchases at a cent each or transfer to partners like Air Canada for higher value, making it great for spontaneous travelers. The premium Capital One Venture X, at $395, rivals top-tier cards like the American Express Platinum with 10x miles on hotels, a $300 travel credit, and unlimited lounge access via Capital One lounges. NerdWallet praises its accessibility compared to competitors, especially for those valuing lounge perks without a $695 fee. For international travelers, the Citi Strata Premier earns 3x on groceries, gas, dining, and air travel, with a $100 hotel credit and no foreign transaction fees, all for $95. Its 10x points on Citi travel bookings make it a strong contender for global explorers. Premium cards cater to those seeking luxury and are evolving to justify high fees with lifestyle benefits. The Platinum Card from American Express, at $695 annually, is the gold standard for affluent travelers. It earns 5x points on flights and prepaid hotels booked through Amex Travel, plus over $1,500 in annual credits, including $200 for airline fees, $200 for Uber, $199 for Clear, and $240 for digital entertainment. Access to Centurion lounges, a concierge service, and elite status with Hilton and Marriott elevate the experience. J.D. Power's 2025 study ranked American Express highest in customer satisfaction for these seamless perks, delivering over $2,000 in value for frequent flyers. However, casual users may find the fee daunting. The Capital One Venture X, at $395, offers similar benefits: lounge access, a $300 travel credit, and 10x miles on portal bookings, for less, earning Bankrate's nod as the best premium value card. The Chase Sapphire Reserve, now $550, remains competitive with its $300 travel credit and 3x on dining and travel, though some prefer Venture X for cost savings. Students, often new to credit, have tailored options to build habits and earn rewards. The Discover It Student Cashback leads with 5% cash back on rotating categories, like groceries this fall, up to $1,500 quarterly, and 1% on other purchases. Discover matches all cash back earned in the first year, so a student spending $300 monthly on food and gas could earn $100, doubled to $200. With no annual fee and no credit history required, it's accessible and reports to all bureaus. The Capital One Quicksilver student offers 1.5% flat cash back and 5% on hotels through their portal, ideal for study abroad trips. The Chase Freedom Rise provides a $25 credit after 3 on-time payments, easing new users into credit, while Bank of America's Travel Rewards for students earns 3x on travel with no fee, perfect for spring break planning. For those with fair credit or rebuilding, secured cards like the Discover It Secured offer 2% cash back after a deposit, while the Capital One Platinum Secured can upgrade to unsecured with good behavior. The Pedal 2 Visa uses alternative data for approvals, earning 1% to 1.5% based on usage, a solid bridge to better cards. Cashback nuances come down to rotating versus fixed rewards. The Chase Freedom Flex, a sibling to Unlimited, offers 5% on quarterly categories, like department stores in Q4 2025, up to $1,500, activated via app. Paired with Freedom Unlimited, it maximizes earnings across categories. The Wells Fargo Autograph earns 3x on dining, gas, transit, streaming, and travel with no fee, ideal for commuters saving $150 on $5,000 in gas and transit annually. For Amazon shoppers, the Prime Visa offers 5% at Whole Foods and Amazon Fresh, 2% on dining, gas, and drugstores, with a $100 Prime credit for members. The U.S. Bank Cash Plus lets you choose 5% categories, like streaming, for tailored rewards. Travel-focused cards include airline co-brands like the United Explorer, with 3x on United purchases and a free checked bag, or the Delta SkyMiles Gold, offering 2x on Delta and a $200 credit after $10,000 spent. Flexible cards like the Bilt MasterCard stand out for renters, earning 1x on rent up to 100,000 points yearly, turning housing costs into rewards for a $2,000 monthly renter. For 0% APR needs, the Wells Fargo Reflex 21-month introductory period on purchases and balance transfers is unmatched, while the U.S. Bank Shield extends to 24 months on transfers with a 3% fee. The Chase Slate Edge offers 18 months for purchases, ideal for financing large buys like appliances. Premium alternatives include the invite-only American Express Centurion, with a $5,000 fee for ultra-elites, or the Citi Straight-A Premier, earning 10x on travel for $95. To maximize rewards, combine cards strategically: Freedom Unlimited for everyday spending, Sapphire Preferred for travel, and Gold for groceries. Tools like NerdWallet help track points. Apply for one card per quarter to protect your credit score. The best card aligns with your lifestyle. Audit your spending. Heavy on groceries? Choose Blue Cash. Frequent traveler? Opt for Platinum or Venture X. Student? Start with Discover. Check issuer sites for updated offers, as terms shift monthly. Responsible use turns a credit card into a wealth-building tool, where rewards are the bonus, not the goal. Please like and share the video. Subscribe the channel.